So for today's look, the first step which I'm going to follow is making use of Kumkumadi oil and setting it all over my face. Now I've made use of 2 to 3 pumps of it, and this will basically act as a moisturizer. And the next step which I'm going to go ahead and do is take 2 or 3 pumps of my favorite foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Sun Beige, and then quickly pat it all over my face, blend it really well, and then go ahead and do the same thing all over my neck as well, because we want our colors to match evenly. Now the next step which I'm going to follow is grabbing a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, pick up a transition shade and add little bit of warmth over our cheeks. Now this is a very basic step which I follow while doing any of my makeup look. I know I'm not really good with contouring, but yeah, this is all I know and I follow in each of my makeup tutorials. Now the next thing which I'm going to grab is a concealer. Now this is a concealer from Wet n Wild and it's in the shade medium tanny. I'm going to pat it all over under my eyes, also on my eyelids, some on the nose and some over the bridge of my forehead, and I'm going to quickly blend. Now we always pat a lot of concealer on our eyelid when we want our eyeshadows to pop out, and this is the very simple way to make our eyeshadow look pigmented. Now I've taken this peachy pink shade from Makeup Revolution Sophie X palette, and I'm going to do a very simple thing, that is rub all the eyeshadow over my eyelids. Now this is not something very tricky. I'm not going over any technicalities. I'm just patting it all over the eyeshadow. So I think it would be easy for you guys to recreate this look, because not really, something out of the box I'm trying. Now I have taken this purple shade and I'm trying to intensify the shade, and I hope I'll be able to achieve the look which I really want to. So yeah, I'm going to keep on intensifying the eyeshadow until I'm happy with the output, but it seems I'm not really happy with the eyeshadow. So I went ahead, grabbed a liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetic, and I have patted it using a makeup brush over my eyelid. And yeah, I guess I should be happy doing this, because since I didn't had any intensified eyeshadow color in my palette, so that's why I thought of doing this jugaad. And yeah, I'm going to reciprocate the same thing on the other side of my eyelid as well. And yeah, I think we are pretty much done with the eye thing. Now next thing I'm going to do is grab a sky blue color from the Miss Claire's eyeshadow palette and then highlight my lower lash line. I've never tried 2 shades above and below the eyelid, but I'm really excited about this look. I think it has changed the makeup look altogether. Now I'm making use of a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Now it's in a brown color shade, and I'm going to quickly fill in the gaps in my eyebrows. Since you guys could see, my brows are really dense, so I don't think so I need to work much upon that. Just few strikes and I'm done. Next thing, I'm going to grab a same liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetic and fill in my lips. Now this is the favorite shade of mine, okay? I wear this shade very often. And yeah, we are done. Now the next step is adding a little bit of blush on our cheeks. Now this blush is from Swiss Beauty, and trust me guys, I don't like putting too much of blush on my face. I like to keep my blush on the lighter side. I don't know how many of people like that. Now I'm grabbing a Nykaa's Falsies. Now it's in the variant Drama Queen, and I'm going to place it quickly on my eyes. Now you guys could see the way I'm struggling, and I'm 100% sure you guys are going to struggle too, since you guys are part of my family. So this is had to be something which I'll give you too. Now the next step is I'm going to highlight my face, glow like a goddess. So I'm making use of this highlighter from Wet n Wild, and trust me guys, this is one of the best highlighter, okay, and also budget friendly. So yeah, I'm going to pull the highlight game on, and I'm gonna glow 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 glow. And I think I'm pretty much done with that. Now the last and the most crucial step is to stick all the butterflies. Now I have hand painted this butterflies. So what I did was I took a calendar and I have tried drawing the pattern of the butterfly all over it, cut off those butterfly templates, and now I'm sticking it all over my face, making use of falsies glue, and I think that shouldn't damage my skin. So yeah, I think we are pretty much done. Now it's time to reveal the look. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. I pretty much love this look. I hope you guys have loved this look too. In case you guys want to recreate this, make sure to tag me on my Instagram using the hashtag makeuplookswithbera, and I'll be more than happy to repost it on my stories. So yeah, in case you want any other makeup looks, then please comment kar dena. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.